R1 and R2 are radii of two circles touching each other. Then find first the length of their common tangent, second radius of the circle touching both the circles as well as their common tangent. Now this problem might look a bit difficult, but here, if we connect centers of both the circles, we know the distance between the center D is nothing but sum of their radii, that is R1 plus R2. Now, if I take a line which is parallel to the common tangent from the center of smaller circle so that it meets the radius of the larger circle. Now, since we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of tangency, the same tangent will be perpendicular to the other radius also. So we can say since the tangent and the line parallel to tangent both are perpendicular to radii, so here we have a rectangle. So since this side is R1, the other side also must be R2. Now, since the whole length is R1 and this smaller part is R2, so the remaining length will be R1 minus R2. And since the straight line is 180 degree, the remaining angle shall be 90 degree. And now we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of their common tangent using R1 minus R2 square plus T square is equal to R1 plus R2 square. After expansion, you will be getting R1 square plus R2 square minus twice of R1 R2 plus T square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 times R1 R2. Now we can cancel the common R1 square and R2 square term, and from here we get P square is equal to 4 times R1 R2, and hence P is equal to 2 times the square root of R1 and R2. Now you have the common tangent. Use the length of common tangent and the hints that I have used to solve for the common tangent to find the radius of smaller circle. Thank you.